Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check transaction history in Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Trying to figure out how much Robux you or your child has spent in Roblox Corporation has made it fairly simple to see how much cash you've sunken into the game, but it can be a bit difficult to find. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first, you can check your transaction history from the Roblox website. So you can't find it on Roblox app, you can just check on the Roblox website. You can log in into your account on the Roblox website. Here's for the link roblox.com/home. After that, from here, you can just log in into your account. From home, you can go to your Robux at the top right in here. You can select on that. There is an option, My Transaction. You can just select on that. And here you go. Here's all your transaction history on your Roblox account. You can see here's for my transaction history for past 30 days. If you want to see maybe for past year, you can just change the date range to past years so you can check like your Robux stipend, currency per cases, your pending Robux, and all the total. Here's your outgoing Robux per case and the total for past years. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your transaction history on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.